Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to set a sleep timer on Spotify. Make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is the best support for me. So basically the best way of how can we set sleep timer on Spotify is that we need to open our app. Then just simply find the current track in the bottom of the screen. Just click on the banner with current track here. And then click on more on these three dots in the right top corner right up here. So after that, scroll down to find a sleep timer and we'll come to the next page. And as you can see, we can stop audio in 5, 10, 15, 30, 45 or 1 hour. Or we can easily click on end of track. After that, if you'll click on, for example, 30 minutes, our sleep timer will be automatically set up. And it's definitely the best way and the easiest way of how to set a sleep timer on Spotify. Hope this helps. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.